Hey everyone, how's it going? So I decided to rearrange my setups a little bit. So the main setup is still in the same spot. And then I put this little table in front of my bed to use as a workbench sort of deal. There's a flipper I'm working on right now. Hopefully I can get a good amount of money from that after I'm done building it. And then there's my other setup. I set it up next to my console corner. So then that way, if I'm playing a game on console and I need to look something up on the PC, I can do that pretty easily. So yeah, I mean, pretty convenient little setup here. I got two PCs I can go to, all my consoles there, and then my little workbench for building new PCs and stuff like that. So yeah, I got to make use of this space, and I think I've made pretty good use of it, to be honest with you. I can do a lot in this room. All right, peace out, everyone.